3 AI coding tools entered the arena. After months of testing them on real projects, only one survived my daily workflow. Which beast actually delivers? Time to settle this once and for all. Cursor completely transformed my coding routine, built on VS Code but supercharged with Claude and GPT-4. It feels like having a senior developer sitting next to you. The autocomplete is a scary accurate, and when I hit Ctrl+K, it writes entire functions exactly how I would code them. I have been using their Pro plan at $20 per month, and those 500 fast requests never run out. Trust me, once you experience Cursor's context awareness, regular coding like tapping with mittens on. On the other hand, Windsurf shocked me. With its cascade feature, this isn't just autocomplete, it's like having an AI teammate that actually understands your entire code base. I can literally chat with it about my project and it makes changes across multiple files simultaneously. The best part? It starts completely free with unlimited autocomplete. After testing it for weeks, I realized Windsurf excels at understanding complex project structures better than any tool I have used. It's what Cursor should have been from day one. At the end, Lovable blew my mind for a completely different reason. I built 3 full-stack web apps using nothing but chat conversations. No coding knowledge required. I discovered what I wanted and boom, working React apps with databases and authentication deployed instantly. After spending days on projects that usually takes weeks, Lovable isn't competing with Cursor or Windsurf. It's playing a different game entirely. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need MVPs fast. Now, after extensive testing, the choice really depends on your coding style. Cursor dominates for experienced developers who want enhanced coding superpowers. I use it daily for complex backend work where precision matters. Windsurf wins for team projects and understanding large code bases. Its context awareness saved me countless debugging hours, while Lovable crushes it for rapid prototyping and non-technical founders. I have seen 5 startup founders go from idea to working app in days using Lovable. And after months of real-world testing, my verdict is clear. Cursor for daily development work, Windsurf for complex team projects, Lovable for rapid app creation. I personally use Cursors every single day and keep Windsurf for massive refactoring sessions. Pick your weapon and start building. Drop which one you choose below.